In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify Payments through the Shopify Help Center. Setting up Shopify Payments is a crucial step in effectively managing your online store and ensuring that customers have a seamless checkout experience. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the process with ease. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is your one-stop shop for all backend configurations, so it's an essential area to familiarize yourself with. Next, after clicking into Settings, you'll need to choose the Payments tab. This is where you'll manage all things related to payment options for your store. Now, you should see the option to Activate Shopify Payments. Click on Activate Shopify Payments. At this point, Shopify will guide you through the application process to check if your store qualifies for this feature. This involves a few steps, such as providing some pertinent business details. Don't worry, Shopify's platform is designed to walk you through each requirement to ensure you don't miss anything. Now, not every country is supported for Shopify Payments, so here's a crucial piece of information. If you can't find the Shopify Payments option, it likely means that the country your store is registered in is not currently supported. If that's the case, you have a couple of options. You can choose to change the location of your store to one of the supported countries, which might be a viable option if your business operations can accommodate that. Alternatively, Shopify offers flexibility by providing a range of third-party payment service providers. To explore these, you simply need to click on See All Other Providers. This will show you a comprehensive list of alternative payment solutions that you can integrate into your store. And there you have it, a straightforward process for setting up Shopify Payments or choosing alternative providers if necessary. This step is more than just a technical setup. It's about empowering your store to efficiently handle transactions and improve customer satisfaction. Setting up the right payment options will help streamline your customers' purchasing journey, potentially increasing your sales and boosting your business success. Remember, every click you make here is about making your store more efficient and user-friendly. So take the time to carefully explore these settings as you configure your store. If you have any further questions or run into issues, be sure to check out Shopify's Help Center for more detailed guidance tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!